So back in London after that nice trip to Tenerife, high up in the volcano at 3,800 meters altitude, I believe. That was amazing. But now we're back in London, and you know, London's not really my favorite place, and I've told many people that I'm looking to quit the UK permanently in the very foreseeable future. So, but many people have been telling me, look, London is the greatest city on earth. England's amazing. That's what they're all telling me. So I'm gonna give it a chance. I'll view some places. Maybe I'll decide on moving to Walthamstow instead of Thailand. Maybe, we'll see. But today we're in Camden.
This place looks alright.
It looks like a, what's that thing called? Is it like adventure playground?
Yeah, that can't be adventure playground, though.
It looks like it. Yeah, so we're in Camden Town. This is Camden Lock. Most people, when they come to Camden, they go to the main part of Camden. They go to the street food section. They look at all the weird people with purple hair. They get drunk. But I don't think a lot of people come. I mean, as you can see, there's not many people here. A lot of people, they don't really take this trip, and it's actually really nice. It's right next to Primrose Hill. The sky is a very seductive grey color today, and I'm just trying to keep my spirits up being in London because it's just so difficult. But I'm gonna try my best and see what happens. We should head to
Primrose Hill.
Yeah, we should head to Primrose Hill, because there you'll see amazing views of the London grey skyscape. It's just magnificent. I think maybe we can go up this way. In the comments, if you have any other places to recommend that may convince me to stay in England, just let me know in the comments. I know some people have mentioned Tower Hamlets. I heard that's beautiful at this time of year. And Croydon. I heard Croydon has some magnificent mountain hikes. So just let me know in the comments below. How do you feel being back in London, Duke?
I've just been hibernating since I've been back.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was a little bit of a shock.
Wait, is that Primrose? I think Primrose Hill is this way. You've been hibernating. You've been letting your tan marinate.
Yeah, marinate. Had a little bit of a cold, sore throat.
For a hill climb?
Yeah, it's nothing. We used to do that every day.
Yeah.
Times 10.
And then used to roll down them because you get endorphins when you get dizzy. Bunch of people up there, you see it? There's going to be no sunset today, so I don't know what they're doing. We're only doing it because we're just in the area. Might as well. Otherwise we picked the worst day for it. It was sunny earlier for about 15 minutes. So where are you thinking to take your travels to?
I was thinking different places in Europe. Maybe just go for like 2 days.
Any particular countries?
Poland. Places that I've never been before. What about you? Belgium? Haven't been Belgium.
Oh, Belgium is so dead.
You been there?
Yeah, I've been to Brussels. I mean, I'm happy to be proven wrong, but I just found it really boring. To be honest, it's just like it's just a B-Tech France.
You've never been Holland?
You've never been Holland?
No, never been.
Serious? I like Holland actually, because yeah, Belgium is an inferior Holland and France. That's what I think. I like Holland, Amsterdam it's a crazy place, but it's worth visiting. I've been there a few times, but I'd like to go to Rotterdam next. If I go back to Holland, I'd like to go to Rotterdam. Oh, this is gonna be a bit of an effort.
Yeah, it feels like that.
Oh, it's quite muddy as well. Wait.
Getting flashbacks of walking up the hill.
Oh, Hardship Hill in Tenerife.
Hardship Hill mixed with Sunday football.
Yeah, Sunday league football. I haven't played in a long time. Countryside vibes, nature in London. That's one good thing London has, a lot of nice parks at least. So you can sit down and contemplate life in the park and think about the cost of living crisis and how your taxes are going up amongst nature, amongst swans and ducks. Yeah, it's a good place to carry your stress. You have to touch grass sometimes. It's not even a steep hill, but you can see a nice view of London.
Tread carefully.
But yeah, this is this is quite muddy. I think it's better to walk on the grass. That's Primrose Hill for you. It's a nice place to visit when the sun's out. So if you're in London in the summer, that short 3-week window of summer, come to Primrose Hill for a day, but bring an umbrella. I was thinking this is not a typical adventure playground for humans.
Oh, there's one there.
Where?
Just here.
Oh, I didn't expect to see monkeys today in London, but that is London Zoo. So, oh, look at that one. Oh, look, it's right there.
Oh, there's a few.
Yeah, there's one there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I like London.
You like it?
I like it through the summer.
But you would like to live here permanently for the rest of your life?
Not through the winter.
So you want to do like 50-50 split?
Something like that.
Yeah,
or
that's what I've been doing.
if I found like 3 places.
Yeah, I mean the best I can do is give you a third. I can give you a third of the year.
Yeah.
I can't do
4 months.
Yeah, 4 months. That's my limit. That's my absolute limit. 4 months. I don't think I can do longer than 6 months.
If you pick the right 6 months.
Yeah, not winter. That's why the last 2 years I've been spending January to, so let's say May, June away. That looks very oriental. That's giving me Chinese vibes. Pink Panther. Yeah, look, beautiful London artwork. Very urban. Yeah.
They got a ferry that goes from Newcastle to
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam.
Yeah. But it costs probably more to get to Newcastle than it does to get to Amsterdam from London. That's the joke. Cost of transport for England is kind of crazy if you think about it.
Oh, there's a Airbnb.
Oh yeah, lovely Airbnb. People in London really living it up in preparation for the winter. This is a nice property. Felt like she was about to jog into me then. I'm sure these boats are used as Airbnbs as well. They don't look like they're inhabited right now though. It's a Ukraine flag. Probably vaccinated people. Beware of the hippies.
Tampering with my food or my mom. Cleopatra. I'm in protest.
I like the patio they have there, look.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's a nice setup they have. I'm not sure what this is though. This looks like it's from Star Trek. What the hell is that? Yeah, it looks like they're growing their own vegetables. Looks like a cabbage plant. Aesthetic, London graffiti.
I think I'd like to live in a different part of London.
Which part?
West London.
Yeah, I think West London is probably my favourite part to live. More graffiti, more graffiti.
Ona nie smarujesz.
Very clean. Such a clean place.
Need to grab some food. Probably gonna grab like the first thing I see. Any suggestions?
Steak.
I feel like when you try something, you have to buy it.
Yeah. Feel guilty.
Feel a little.
I don't. I just try and then I leave forever.